Well, hello on YouTube. I'm back here with another update. I am here on the Florida Trail doing a hike today. It is a pretty hot day. I just ran into some wild hogs here. Probably can't hear them now, but they ran off in this direction, about 5 of them. Looked like they had several young ones. Saw several young ones run out in front, and then a bigger one was making its noise, squealing, whatever you want to call it. And he kind of looked at me for a little while and then went off in this direction. He's gone now. But it looked like it was a bigger one, possibly a male. So this trail runs from Pensacola all the way down to the Everglades. And it is marked by orange blazes, see on this tree here. This section is about 50 miles east of the city of Pensacola, not far from where I'm parked. Runs pretty close to I-10, within a couple miles of it through here. So I was hoping to get the wild hogs on video, but they ran off. And I didn't want to get too close to them, obviously. So the sky is kind of partly cloudy. There are a lot of clouds, which are helping to hold the temperature down a bit, but it is still pretty hot out. And right now I'm about 3.5 miles from where I'm parked. And there is a huge spider right there with a web right across the trail. Not sure if it's a black widow. It might be. There are the markings on the back. But yeah, in a few spots there's these webs across the trail, and yeah, I'm gonna kind of take it down. And it looks like the spider just ran off here a little bit. This trail is, obviously in Florida, it is going to be level. There's not any major climbs or descents along here. It's flat. And most of it is open, through here at least, is open woodland, pine forest. You can see pine cones are pretty huge. So it looks like there is a road just off to the left. Just seen a car go by. Another spider web. And this is a different type of spider. There it goes. It looks like the spider ran off into that branch up there. So that's going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this little taste of the Florida Trail. And I will be back soon.